Hey everybody, I'm the Gulf Coast Granny, and I want you to look at these great big plate of pancakes. Today we are going to make a sauce to go on top of this, and it's called chocolate gravy. Look, this is why the South has a weight problem, okay? I'm going to take a cup of sugar and I'm going to put it in this pot. I'm also going to take 2 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm going to whisk that all together so there's no lumps in it. Alright, now I'm going to pour this milk in. This is 1.5 cups of plain milk. I'm going to turn my heat on, let it warm up, and get thick. Today is my daughter's 15th birthday, my baby daughter. And that's what she wanted for breakfast. She wanted pancakes with chocolate gravy. So that's what Mama's making. I used to make her this every single morning for breakfast when she was in elementary school. So it's kind of nostalgic for me to be able to make this for her as she's turning 15. She is a very bright, very talented musically. She makes wonderful grades. She has never, ever given me a minute's worry so far. But she's a good kid, and she has a great head on her shoulders. So anyhow, I couldn't be more proud of my daughter. She's pretty amazing. And she loves chocolate gravy. Now you really should stir this fairly constantly so it doesn't stick to the bottom, just like you would any gravy. And look, if you don't have flour, you can use cornstarch too to thicken this. In fact, I kind of prefer using cornstarch because it gives it a better texture to me, but flour's what I had today. Oh, it's starting to thicken up good now. And now I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in here. Take it off the heat before you put your vanilla in, because you'll just burn up your vanilla if you don't. And stir it around. Now the birthday girl's about to have breakfast. I want y'all to look at this. You just pour it over the top. And there are pancakes and chocolate gravy. It's delicious, y'all. Alright.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And get your forks. Just take that to her. Okay? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Right.
Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you again real soon. Alright?